If you switch to biometric passkeys, but just broke or lost your old phone, do not panic. Your login credentials are not gone forever. Here is the 60-second protocol to recover your passkeys on a new device. Step 1. Passkeys are cryptographic pairs, but they are almost always backed up to your primary OS cloud. On your new phone, log into the exact same Apple ID or Google account. Go to your system security settings and ensure Cloud Sync or Keychain access is turned completely on. This pushes the private keys to your local hardware. Step 2. If you are cross-platform, like using an iPhone with a Windows PC, select Sign in with another device. A QR code will appear. Scan it with any secondary sync tablet or laptop to securely bridge and authorize the new phone over local Bluetooth. Step 3. If you have no other devices, select Try Another Way to drop back to your cloud provider's master recovery code. Typing this code instantly authorizes your new biometric profile. Your search ends here,